13 YouTube secrets from the creators track at VidCon 2018. I'm Chris, this is Yellow Productions. I do travel guides that are fun, informative, and entertaining. I just finished up a weekend at VidCon. It's wrapping up today. Today's the last day, and I wanted to share with you some of the YouTube secrets that I learned attending this year. Starting with YouTube secret number 1. YouTube secret number 1 is about thumbnails, and that is that yellow is the best color to use in a YouTube thumbnail. Why yellow? Well, because yellow catches the eye more, and people are more likely to click on a thumbnail that features yellow prominently in it. And that thumbnail that you clicked on, there was a lot of yellow in it. Also, you'll notice that a face was featured prominently. Another YouTube secret, this ties into thumbnails, is that a face is important. People are more likely to click on thumbnails that have a face featured prominently, particularly one that's looking at the camera and that you can see the whites of their eyes. The second YouTube secret from VidCon is about video titles. Video titles are the second most important thing for a video, and one of the secrets is that the top YouTube creators, before they make a video, they'll come up with the title. Yes, that's right. And people like me, when we first started, maybe even now, we'll shoot a video and then afterwards think about what should we title this. But the pro YouTubers, they say they come up with the title first. And some words you'll see in titles, because people click on them more, are titles that create an emotional need in the viewer. Something like "The end of the world is coming, things you need to know," right? You'll read that and you'll say, I need to click into that if the end of the world is coming. Also, buzzy type words, things like secret. I've got some secrets to share with you. That's why this video has secrets in the title. A lot of the top YouTube creators, they say the way they decide to come up with what videos to produce are looking at Google Trends and YouTube Trends, using trending words. Right now, Fortnite, the video game, spinners, and of course slime is really popular. YouTube secret number 3. The most watched category of videos, regardless of title or thumbnail, are how-to in videos or instructables, but particularly those that have the keyword how-to in them. Why? How-to videos are often syndicated over to Google. The top 2 search results in the area for how-to will often appear in the Google search results for the exact same thing. So if you really want to make your videos rank, make them how-to videos that also show up on Google searches. YouTube secret number 4. A lot of people obsess about comments, likes, things like that. The most important metric to YouTube, and about the only one worth worrying about, is watch time, overall watch time. YouTube's goal overall as a platform is to maximize the amount of time people spend watching videos, the time they spend on the platform, and how often they come back to the platform. So if you are uploading videos, the most important thing for the success of them is watch time, and YouTube makes its first measurement at about 24 hours and then 48 hours. Those are the places where it's important to have the most watch time, because if YouTube sees a lot of people watching a video within the first 24 hours, it means people must like it. Again, at 48 hours, that's how it gets referred to more and more people. Now, something a lot of people don't know also is watch time can also have a negative effect on future videos. So for example, if I upload a video to my channel and nobody watches it, well, that's going to have a negative effect on the next videos that I upload, because YouTube will be less likely to share those videos to my subscribers first. And so if you're uploading videos, it's important that each one of your videos is better than the next one, and that's what YouTube looks for. Do more people watch it? Is it better? Is the next one getting better? If they start getting worse, then YouTube says, well, we're not going to show that to anybody. YouTube secret number 5. Authenticity is important on YouTube. People watch videos that they consider the creator, the person on camera, is more authentic. This was one I probably didn't understand when I first started YouTubing. If you look at me in the beginning, I think I'm putting on a little bit more of an act, but now as I do this, I treat it as more of a conversation. So like, I'm literally talking to you, except you happen to be where this piece of glass is that I'm looking at right now. Also, people have a tendency to really like rant videos. That's why you see a lot of rants, a lot of political commentary, because those are ones where people are being particularly authentic. They're speaking from the heart about how they feel about something. So as this video goes on, you might hear me ranting about a few things coming up, particularly when it comes to ad revenue on YouTube. YouTube secret number 6. sucks. Nobody subscribes to a channel after watching one video. Most people, it takes on average 3 to 5 videos for them to become a subscriber. I'm curious, for those of you who subscribe to Yellow Productions, how many videos did it take for you to watch before you decide to subscribe? YouTube secret number 7. The most watched videos on YouTube are those on average that are between 7 to 16 minutes of length, with the sweet spot being about 10 to 12 minutes. Sorry for people who like to make 1 hour long form videos or 30-second videos of cats falling off televisions. That sweet spot of 10 minutes on average is what's getting the most watch time on YouTube. People, that's about the attention span and the commitment that people will have. If you have a video that's over an hour, obviously I run into this with my live streams and archives, people look at that and go, oh, I'm not sure that I'm really ready for that time commitment. And if it's 30 seconds, well, I'm not sure that I'm going to gain that much out of it, particularly if I'm starting with a 10 to 15 second pre-roll ad before that video. YouTube secret number 8 is to only ask for one call to action in a video. You'll hear people do it, including me, things like, hey, if you like this video, please get a thumbs up, please subscribe, please follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+. When you overload people with that many things, people end up doing nothing. So think about what is the one thing you want them to do. And if what it is you really want them to subscribe, then the most important thing for someone to do after watching your video, well, it's not subscribe, because if that's the first one they've watched, they won't, chances are. But the most important thing is for them to watch other videos. You'll probably see my videos change at the end, including this one. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe. I'm just going to ask you to watch one other video that I'll point to up here, but it's not the end yet. I've still got a few more secrets to go. Oh, and I've apparently been doing it all wrong when I tell people to click on a video. Research shows that when you use another word like smash or punch the video, that people are more likely to actually click on it. YouTube secret number 9. This is about ads and how ads are sold. Everybody always wants to know, as a YouTuber, how do you make money? How does YouTube pay you? All those sorts of things. Well, the way that ads are sold on YouTube, the way YouTube sells them to advertisers, is basically via 2 different things. One, based on a keyword and users' demographics, and they're sold at auctions. So if you want to get into some popular keywords and popular countries, well, then the advertisers bid those up. And so this also explains why my Las Vegas videos do very well, because Las Vegas is a term that people search on a lot, people go to, and so advertisers place ads against Las Vegas videos and also against viewers in the US. It also explains why my videos in Japan don't do all that well, because people don't place ads against Kamakura and from viewers in Japan, unfortunately. So what this has taught me, and again, this is a bit of my rant, is that apparently I should only be making videos about Las Vegas that are between 7 to 16 minutes in length. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I only be making videos on Las Vegas? Because that is one of the things I learned here at VidCon. Or I should be making them about Fortnite, the video game, fidget spinners, and slime. You know, but seriously, my rant here is that there's a lot of creators around the world, including one by the name of Jesus from Taiwan, that because he posts in Chinese and his viewership is mostly in Taiwan, his AdSense revenue is basically pennies per month. It's pretty sad. And so the wealth isn't really be spreading equally. And they mentioned it here at VidCon too, that there can be channels that in Brazil that have 30 million subscribers but barely make $100 a month from that Google AdSense revenue. YouTube secret number 10. Most pro YouTubers don't make the majority of their money from ads, but they make it from merchandise, subscriptions, or other things, which is why at VidCon you will see a ton of creators like this one back here, and then also like Zoe G back here, standing around at a booth selling t-shirts, because frankly, that's how they're making money. YouTube secret number 11, there's a whole thing about demonetization going around where videos get demonetized because YouTube deems them inappropriate. Some words to avoid for demonetization: avoid the word death, avoid the word kill. Also, avoid things that are graphic in the thumbnails. YouTube actually looks at the video thumbnails and analyzes them to see if there can be something graphic. One of the things that often often gets videos demonetized is if there's fire in the thumbnail. YouTube secret number 12. This secret intentionally left blank so that I can get to the next secret. YouTube secret number 13. The best numbers to use in YouTube titles are prime numbers. Why? People are more likely to click on titles that contain prime numbers than non-prime numbers. What's a prime number? It's a number that's only divisible by itself, like 1, 7, 13, which is why this video is titled 13 Secrets, and that is the last one. Well, if you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy watching one of my other videos right here. I'm not going to tell you to click on it, but I'll tell you to punch it. I'll tell you to uppercut it. I'll tell you to tickle it. I'll tell you to lick it. I don't know. Do whatever you want to that video. Just watch it. And I won't say goodbye because I'm going to see you over there.